can't take it anymore. My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones. My sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should take a leap of faith and face my fear. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano.
Timothy, listen to me. You have no idea what you have been through. You have no idea how many engines and people you have scared. Counting the jump scares, of course. But you need to listen to me. The point is this, goddammit. The Timothy I knew was kind, was wise, was a mentor to Thomas. Besides, what would your deceased brothers say if they saw you like this? I know that controller gave you hell. And honestly, if I were there, and I saw he was threatening you and wanting to send you to scrap, I'd put that controller in his place. But not by suicidal revenge. Timothy, control the demon. Put him to rest. Besides, there's more to your story than what we already know. And very soon, I sense that we will know everything. Heed my warning, Timothy. Rest in peace with everyone, with all of our siblings. And do this for me, but also do this for Tom. I hope you understand where I am coming from, Timothy.